Not all customers are created equal. You know that. You know that there are somebody that comes in the door, and every time they come in the door, you're going to think this guy's going to be a pain in the ass, okay? And they keep coming back again and again and again, unfortunately. Well, that's where the 80-20 rule comes in. 80-20 rule, it's remarkable how the math always works out. And if you looked at your database of all your clients, you would find that 80% of your sales come from only 20% of your customers. I mean, that's crazy. And we've looked at a lot of our own clients' databases, and when you look at it, the numbers hold true almost every single time. 80% of your sales come from only 20% of your customers. Also is true, 20% of your customers cause 80% of your headaches. Those are the bottom feeders. Those are the people that are constantly beating you up on price, that, they come in for that oil change special and they need brakes. They're metal on metal and it's just squealing, and they say, I'll do it next time. And then they come in for the oil change again, and guess what? The brakes are done. They had somebody else do it. Those are your headache clients that you just don't need to market to them anymore. What I always suggest is look at your database and take the pain in the ass clients, the people that don't spend any money, and never market to them. Do not invite them back in the door.